Hello everyone, hope you are doing great. It's your girl Unique Nilo. Right, for today's tutorial, we'll be learning how to make this 3-in-1 turban. If you watch closely, you'll notice there's a turban there and there is a detachable headband. In my previous video, I posted how to make this particular turban and it's for beginners. So if you want to learn how to make this turban cap, please watch my previous video. The link is in the description box. And for this headband, I'll be teaching how to achieve this. This is called Zara headband. So let's move straight to the tutorial. Alright, so guys, for this project I'll be using a stretchy fabric, which is shiny poly fabric. Alright, and if you notice that the width part is stretchy while the length is not stretchy. The width is stretchy while the length part is not stretchy. So the length part is 28 inches by 55 inches width. So I'll be folding it, making the wrong side to face you, then you sew down. Alright, after sewing it down, you take this is Mako, and the length of this Mako is 20 inches by 2 inches width. So I'll be inserting this Mako inside the fabric which you just finished sewing, and once you are done inserting it, you adjust it. Make sure that the edge of the Mako aligns to each other, making the sewn part to be at the center. So I'm just trying to align it. Let me make sure that I'm folding it, so I'll make sure that the edge of the Mako is equal. If you watch closely, you notice that it's equal, and the tip of this fabric is also equal. Alright, so I'll take my pin just to hold here down. So when I'll be working on the other side of the Mako, it won't pull off. So I'll be using my elastic here. You understand? I'll be using my elastic. So I'll be using 1-inch elastic. See it here. This is 1-inch elastic. So I've placed it at the back of this Zara headband, and it's on top of the Mako. You can see it. It's on top of the Mako. So what I'll be doing now is I'll take it to my sewing machine and sew the edge. So I'll just use my pin to hold it down. So I will show you what to do when you get your sewing machine. First of all, sew here down. After sewing it, then you drag like this. You drag it. If you have been watching my zaracap, this will not be a new technique. Just drag. Then after dragging, you sew this edge down. Do same thing on the other side. Then after sewing, this is how it will be. There is no exact measurement for my elastic. I just took my long elastic and I inserted it. So take it to your sewing machine and sew here. Sew on the right side. Sew on the right side, not on the wrong side. If you notice, this is the right side of my Mako. Then sew there. The reason why I sew there is because I will use rose to cover it up. So this piece is for the rose design, and I got 36 inches length by 5 inches width. I cut it into 7 pieces. 36 inches length by 5 inches width. Fold it this way and sew down. And this is the long piece of rose, the bold one that will be at the back of that Zara headband. Okay, so the length of this fabric is 60 inches by 8 inches width. 60 by 8 inches width. Fold this way, then sew it down. So I'm done sewing and I'll be turning out the fabric. Okay, once I'm done turning out, I'll be using the small rose to teach you how to form the rose. This small fabric I'll be using to teach you how to form the fabric. First of all, fold in a triangular form. Fold in just a triangular form. Then you do your first fold 1. After folding the triangle, you fold again 2. Then you fold again 3. After folding the triangle, I don't know if you understand me. Then you twist your hand this way. Your left hand, you twist it, and as in watch what I just did. You hold it and twist backwards. Then as you're twisting backward, you also twist 1 and 2. Then you do it again. You twist again. You understand? What I'm taking it is for you to get it. You twist again, then fold 1 and 2. Then you twist again 1 and 2. You twist. Why I'm doing all these things, I just taking it so you'll be able to get it. Don't even understand me. Then when you reach this level, you now hold it this way. Take your 2 fingers, these 2 fingers, hold it under like this. Then take your right thumb and hold the center of the rose. Then you now continue to hold it. So you'll be forming the rose this way. You twist and fold. You twist and fold. You twist and fold. Guys, if you find it difficult, please just rewind this part. You'll get it, okay? So this is the method I'm using to get the whole rose for the 7 pieces. Also the rose for the big one. That bold rose I cut out, the same method First of all, fold the triangular form, then fold into 3, then start twisting and you form your rows. Please guys, if I reach this level and you've not subscribed to this channel, if you're a new member, please join the Unique Diverse family, okay? Just hit that subscribe button and join us. And I also have a WhatsApp group where I have different swimmates there. They help themselves. If you're not in that WhatsApp group, kindly join us there. The link is on my description box, okay? Please, these rules, if you notice that you do it and it's losing, just twist it the way I'm twisting now. Tighten it this way so it won't lose. So you continue your twist this way. So as I was saying, if you're an old subscriber, thank you for joining us. I appreciate you guys. And if you find this video helpful, kindly hit that like button, give it a thumbs up, just support your girl, okay? All right, so once you're done twisting and everything, you can see the way I ended the remaining fabric. Just take it to the center of the rows, then use your needle and thread and tack down. I will still say this: once you find it difficult to achieve these rules, just rewind this video and pay close attention. You will get it. It's a bit technical, but it's easy. So you can see me passing the needle from the center. Continue with this process. After passing to the center, you pass it sideways. Just watch and see the way I'll be doing the tacking. Please, you can use your gum if you want to, but I prefer tacking it down. So just watch and see the way I tack these rules. So I'm done tacking and this is the outcome, okay? I knotted it at the center, the back of the rows, and this is the big rows, and these are the 7 small roses. So next thing I'll be doing now is to attach it at the back of the zaracap. So guys, just watch the way I'll be doing the placement. So next thing I'll be doing is to use your needle and thread to tack up and down, up and down, up and down. You understand? Just tack everything with your needle and thread before using your candle gum to hold it down. You can ignore the needle and thread part, but I prefer doing that, and this is the outcome of the work. And remember, I said you can watch my previous video. The link is on my description box if you want to learn this first pattern. So you can just rock it this way. This is number 1. Or you can rock it as a normal headband this way. This is number 2. Or rock both this method. Please don't hesitate to give this video a thumbs up, okay? Thanks for staying up to this time. See you next time. Bye.